Hi, welcome. You are on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Find, the YouTube channel that helps resellers who sell online make more money. Well, maybe you can sell at the flea market or Facebook Marketplace, but I want to help resellers make more money. You're going to flip, you want to flip well. Well, if this is your first time here, we sell on eBay. I've been doing that for over 20 years. We sell on Mercari, we sell on Facebook Marketplace, we sell on Poshmark. Did I miss Poshmark? And lastly, we sell at the flea market. Today, I think you're going to enjoy this video. We are going to go shopping. We are going garage selling. We're going to go to garage selling, and I'm going to show you some of the items that we found. We found some cool stuff, and I want to show you what we found and maybe a little bit about each one and a little bit about the garage sales. You stay with us. You're going to like this video. So I'm starting off, we went to a church. The church garage sales, rummage sales are always the best. We were there about 25 minutes before it started, and look at the line behind us, and it goes all the way around. You can't even see how far it goes. But we found some good stuff, and I did buy this here. I bought this pair of Cole Haan leather shoes. I got these for $4 at this rummage sale, and they are in excellent condition. They don't even look like they were used. Of course, I'm going to put that they were used because they probably were, but the condition was great. Now, at a garage sale, I also bought a pair of Crocs. Now, I only got these for $1, so I got them. The condition was not as good, but I've sold several pairs very similar to this, and I sold them rather quickly, usually within 1 month. So for $1, I figured that it was worth a try. I usually only sell them for about $17, $18. I did find several Disney blow-ups at one of the garage sales. One was a Mickey Mouse, and I also found another one that was a Minnie Mouse. Now, these were 6 feet, and I was hoping that they were not opened. I bought them for $7 each, and they're 6 feet high. They were opened, but I've checked them out, and so far, from what I can tell, they are in good condition. And so I put them up for $49.99. Now, brand new, these would be well over $100. So you always got to look at things, even if they seem used, even if it's the wrong season. You never know. Now, this I got at that long garage sale, and I paid $8 for this. At first, I put it in my bucket, and I said, let me think about it. Well, I looked it up, and they were selling, somebody had one online for, I believe it was $49 or $39 and 10 shipping. So I said, okay, I'm going to give this a try, but I still have to test it. I haven't tested it first, so I have not put it up. But if it works good, I'm golden. Now, my partner in crime grabbed this, but she didn't grab this. It was a quarter, I believe. She didn't grab this because of the lunchbox. The lunchbox is relatively new. I think it was 1997. It said on the back. She grabbed it because there were some cool action figures underneath. And I know we can sell those. If worse comes to worse, we'll sell them at a flea market, but we're going to see if they're worth anything before we try. We also bought this at a tag sale. This is a watch. It's a Minnie Mouse watch. Now, I paid $5 for this. I looked them up. They're like $49.99. This one was new and not used. The lady at the garage sale told me that she bought it for her granddaughter, and by the time she thought it would be appropriate for her granddaughter no longer liked Minnie Mouse. So she sold it, and I got it. Now I'm showing you my Disney stuff right now. I got this Disney strap for, I believe it was $1 at a garage sale. I originally thought my partner in crime would use it because she has a camera bag. She says, no, that's an old one. Well, they still are selling, so I put it up. It's $19.99 plus shipping is what I'm asking. Now, this does not sell really good. I got this for $1 at that garage sale. The reason I grabbed it is I'm trying to make one of my 3 stores an all Disney store, and I want to make sure I have more Disney stuff. And for $1, why not? It sells for $9.99, not a huge profit, but it fits into what I'm looking to do. Now, I also found these great Tommy Bahama plates. I love them, and if they don't sell, I'm gonna keep them. Well, I bought them for $5 for these 6 plates, and I believe they're selling for like $35 or $40. So I'm gonna try to sell them, and if I can't sell them, like I said, I'll keep them. I love Tommy Bahama stuff, and these plates are really very beautiful. So sometimes you keep stuff, you know, you never know. My partner in crime found this game of thrones. It's a lot like Legos, and everything was brand new, and I believe it was either $1 or $2. So I looked it up, and it was 39, something like that. So I said, well, I'm gonna buy that one. She said, get this. Now we did buy some clothes. I found this at a different church rummage sale. I liked it not because of the name, but because it had fishing rods all over it. Isn't that cool? I just thought that is the coolest shirt. Now, the name was Newport Blue. I don't really know that name. I looked it up. Hey, if I get 20, 25 bucks for it, I'm happy. It goes with all my wonderful shirts. You see Tommy Bahama. I did find one, Tommy Bahama, at that big garage sale. I found a couple Tommy Bahamas. So, of course, I grabbed those. Now, they also had clothes in a boutique section, which I started to look up, but they were so expensive. But I found the Tommy Bahamas in the regular shirt section. So these were $3 each, which is less than at the thrift store. And I did grab this one while I was there, mostly because it had those vintage cars. I love those. And it had surfboards, and it was like brand new. It looked like it was just pressed. And I don't know if it was even ever worn. It was just beautiful. So I grabbed it. Sometimes I tend to grab things that are not what I'm looking for just because I like them myself. Now, the name on this one was Palm Wave Hawaii, but it's a 2XL, and I find XLs sell better for me than larges or mediums. And I also grabbed this one because it is a woman's. There's not a lot of women's out there that sells. Now, this is just, I believe, a Caribbean Joe or something very typical, but I bought it because, you know, women want to wear some nice clothes too. And I also found this one, and yes, it's a Caribbean, and I bought it mainly because of the colors, but I believe it was either a 3X or a 4X. And like I said, the bigger the clothes, for some reason, I get more money and they sell faster. So I'm always looking for shirts that are an extra large size. And you can see here it just says Caribbean. Now, the next one, I believe, is also a Tommy Bahama. Yes, it is. Now, I've had in the past one just like this. I believe it was a different size, but it was the same pattern. And, you know, I'm still grabbing Tommy Bahama. I don't care if other dealers say they're not selling their Tommy Bahama. Like I said, it's not the season. And you don't have to sell Tommy Bahama. It's just something that I like to do because of where I lived. And there is the tag. Now, then I went to that garage sale, the big one with all the long people, and I went through the T-shirts. All the T-shirts were $1. Do you know, at my thrift store, T-shirts are now $5.99 for a T-shirt. I won't even look at their T-shirts. So I'm only buying them at garage sales and tag sales. Well, this was a Miami Marlins, and on the back it is Ramirez. It was Hanley Ramirez. I don't know if it'll sell, but for $1, even if I don't sell it for that much money, it's pretty nice. And I like to sell T-shirts. This T-shirt season is coming. Now, this one, I thought it was New England Patriots. I didn't look at it that carefully, and then I got it home and it just says New England. I don't know if it's going to sell. I might get stuck with this one. Fortunately, my family has a lot of New England fans, and maybe one of them will want it. So I can always give it to them. And Detroit Lions. This is Matthew Stafford. I know he's not on the Lions. I know he's on the Rams. But he just won a Super Bowl, and I figured maybe somebody wants a shirt that has Stafford on the back. It was very nice. It's just a T-shirt. Here is the back. But, you know, even if they don't want it now, maybe in a year or so they're going to change their mind. I mean, he's going to go to the Hall of Fame. Well, I shouldn't say for sure, but maybe. And then they'll want it for sure. And Pittsburgh Steelers, another one, it was only $1. These were all NFL apparel. I like good quality NFL apparel, Majestic, things like that. I don't want T-shirts that are made by lousy makers. You got to have makers that cover the NFL, and then they seem to do more. And I am going to show you the tag. Here it is, Team Apparel. So that's what you're kind of looking for if you're buying sports teams. You want to be sure not to grab something that is cheaply made. So these are some of the things, well, maybe most of the things that I bought at garage sale this past week. A lot of these sell for some good money, and a lot of them will help you. So they're always what I say garage sale winners. I hope that something in here helps you to find a garage sale winner as well. So welcome back. Before I go any further, please take a moment to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up. 2 thumbs up if you can. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go out there. I want you to go garage sailing or thrifting or whatever it is that we do. Because I hope you liked our videos. I hope they taught you something and it's going to bring you more sales in the future. But I want you to go put it up. I want you to then go make yourself some money. I will see you soon.